Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the BDBs aka the triple kick aka the drum roll.
Beatbox.
The BDBs or the triple kick or the drum roll is a very simple sound which can add a lot of character and variety to your beats. To do the triple kick, first you need to know the normal kick drum, like which is just an overemphasized P or B sound, like pot, pot. And then the next step is to learn to do a kick by using your tongue instead of your lips, like when you tell the word tu, like and remove the vocalization from it to get the kick, like and after you guys have both these kicks broken down, combine them together one after the other to get the triple kick, like and after you guys get this sound, a perfect practice pattern would be and another practice pattern would be and also you can continue to add on kicks along with the triple kick to get a multi-kick roll sound, like and a practice pattern for this would be and that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with this sound, and if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.